Hi, good evening. Okay, now you have been shortlisted to the last round, right? So how was it?
It was completely different for me because this is my first technical interview that I'm attending. The rounds were pretty interesting because they asked us and separated us based on the core and the department we wanted to choose. So that was how the questions was also. Since I was interested in structures, a lot of questions came from structures and I was pretty interested. It was interesting.
Okay, nice. And where do you think that you are lacking, and which area do you think that you have to focus, in future?
Yes, sir. The area is, it's not about the area. In general, I need to pretty much bridge the gap between where the industry is moving and what I'm learning. So if I get to know about the connect I have to make to bridge the gap, that's pretty fine. I'll go good.
Now, eConstruct will be considering you for internship opportunity. So what is your plan? It can be 3 months or 6 months. So what is your plan? How are you looking at it?
Sir, I'm pretty much looking forward to work with it because right from the selection process it was entirely different. So I'm looking forward to how internship and working atmosphere will go to. So I'm awaiting the results.
So you have anything to say about the management, especially Sharda ma'am and Sandeep sir, like their presentation or whatever it is?
They are very, very energetic. Like they pretty much make us feel live. It's so lively to watch them talk. Right from the presentation that happened in the morning, we never knew how that 2 hours flew. Like it just flew in seconds. So the presentation's entirely different and was very nice. And they're very lively. They don't make us have the fear. Like I didn't have a fear facing them. They were very interactive. They were so open. They just put statements, and all that we need to do was just answer the question. So we didn't have pretty much strain in that.
If I ask you, what is that one thing that you will remember in today's drive, what would you say?
I got to know, before attending this drive, my focus on the areas of interest or whatever was entirely different. But now I started focusing on one thing. If structure is my main, I need to focus more on that because that is what they're opting for. When they ask questions also, they ask if you're interested in structures, they pose questions on structures. So basically I need to fix what area of interest and I need to start working more on it.
Okay. What do you want to say for engineers or civil engineers who want to pursue their education? You have any advice for freshers or upcoming graduates?
It's not about freshers, it's not about for civil engineering. Basically, just don't rely on books. Books are just part of knowledge. You need to gather something from the outer society as well because, as I already told, technology is moving forward. Like it's growing faster and faster and things are getting emerged so fast. So there's always a lot, like a huge gap between where the technology is and where we stand. So try as much as possible to bridge the gap so that there's always a connect with the industry and the person as an individual.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm Shiva Prasad and I'm from NGP Institute of Technology.
Myself Shabir, I am from NGP Institute of Technology.
Okay, so we are hosting the drive at your college, eConstruct Design. So what do you feel about this? Can you share your experience about today's process?
The drive was actually very different from what other companies had offered us. Actually, we got to learn a lot from this drive. We even came to know about what character we have, what type of job we need, and what skills do we require for that job. So it was a very useful drive, to be honest, and I think this drive will help me build my future better.
Okay. What do you think about this company?
Actually, this is a MNC company. It's a design and structural company. It do projects on Canada, USA, and Gulf countries. And it's a nice company, and they're giving good opportunities for internships and for freshers. So
okay, so Shraddha ma'am and Sandeep sir, they were talking a lot about the future of civil engineering, right? The scope of civil engineering. You have anything to say to your classmates or to people who are doing civil engineering about the scope?
As far as humans are living, civil will always live, because a human needs his homes to live, and every form of engineering requires civil at a major part in its working. So I think civil will always persist, and choosing civil engineering will help them for sure.
What is you have anything to say?
Actually, civil engineering is the mother of all the engineering. We are all civil engineers. Apart from academics, we are all civil engineers, because when we born, we learn to sit, stand. It's also part of a basics of civil engineering, like gravity, and we should formulate all the basic things from the civil engineering, and we should apply on the life day to day.
Okay, thank you so much. And one more question. Nowadays, we see a lot of engineering students, not only civil engineers, all other engineers. They are not updated in new technologies which the industry are using. So, is it true?
Yes, it is true, because they don't have the knowledge. They just learn in the college. They don't actually. We are also in the same group only. We don't interest so much in learning from the outside world. So I think we should do that. We should gain knowledge from the outside world, not just from the degree, but also field experience, and all we should get.
Okay. The thing is that there are opportunities outside. The colleges are giving guidance about opportunities. The faculty who are coming to class and the industry people with whom you are connecting, they tell you about the scope and a lot of opportunities which there are outside. But do you think that freshers or people who are studying are utilizing every chances, or are they not interested? What is the trend now?
Actually, they are not exploring new ideas and technical skills. That is the main problem. We freshers don't get enough job opportunities, and we lack in technical knowledge mainly. Apart from the communication, we lack technical knowledge, and that's the main reason why engineering branch is coming down. Their graph is coming down in this arena.
So, if you are you really confident that if you join eConstruct, that your career progress will be there, you will grow?
Yes, definitely. From the introduction given about the company, sir gave us an introduction, so we feel very positive about the company, and even they are very interested in to bring up the skills of their interns and people who work for them. So I think if I get to work at eConstruct, I will definitely get a better improvement in my life.
Thank you so much for the participation. Thank you.
I'm A. Jayasuriya. I'm pursuing my final year in Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. My native is Trichy, and I'm staying in hostel and pursuing my...
Jayasuriya, why did you attend this interview?
I would like to get an opportunity in my field of study. So I think a core job would increase my experience and would increase my career opportunities. So I think this company would raise me to better heights.
Okay, they were talking about different fields in civil engineering, right? Which particular field you want to go and why?
I want to go to site or project management because I feel like it's more challenging. The field is more challenging because you will be subjected to different environments, and it's your ability. You can decide whatever decisions you can do, whatever you think you can do, but doing the correct thing on that situation is what matters. So I think it's a little bit challenging, and I think I can explore a lot in this field. So I choose site up.
Okay, now you have been in the process and you have seen what eConstruct is offering you. Now, how do you think this will help you, or what is very special with this company, or why do you think that you want to prefer this company?
I want to prefer this company especially because the company is like branching, having different fields in civil engineering. civil engineering is a vast field, so it's branching. It's having a lot of branches. So I think it would be good to join in seeing my future in such a company like that. And the evaluation process was so open, so free, so that we were able to judge ourselves, we were able to evaluate ourselves. So I think that's the best part of this drive and the company.
Okay, so how confident are you about this drive and about the recruitment?
I don't know. I'm not sure whether I'm gonna get recruited or going to get the intern or not. But if I get an opportunity in eConstruct, I'm sure to get it converted into employment.
Now at this stage I'll ask you one question. Where do you think that you're lacking? You have come up to this level and after your final year engineering and attended this process. Now where do you think that you are particularly lacking?
There are two parts to be considered in civil engineering. One is the academics part and the another one is the applicative part. I think I lack a lot in the applicative part because academic I haven't done many field oriented projects and things like that. So I think I lack there and I want to improve more, and I feel that field is more challenging. So I want to explore a lot more in that, and I think that's interesting.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Myself Dinesh Kumar from SNS College of Engineering.
Myself Gokulan from SNS College of Engineering.
I'm Aparna from SNS College of Engineering.
I'm Kajura Tiwari from SNS College of Engineering.
I'm Sabri Saran from SNS College of Engineering.
I'm Blessy from SNS College of Engineering.
I'm Shruti from SNS College of Engineering.
Okay, so you have all come to attend the eConstruct drive at NGP College, right? So can you share about your experience in today's drive?
This is our first technical interview for everyone. So we came to know about how an interview will be held in the technical field. What are all the stages we are going to cross through it, and we also came to know what the personality we are having with us. So I had a big doubt what I am good at it. So the personality test helped me to came to know that what I am good at it. So it's kind of a good experience.
Okay, so what was very special about this company or the specific drive?
So, like besides all the other drives I attended, the setup, the entire setup, like how the selection process and screening process kind of thing goes, is entirely different from what I've experienced, because it's more of self-analysis. You get to analyze where you stand and your technical capability and all those things. So it's more about self-analyzation, and then you understand. You don't have to ask others, so you self-analyze it by yourself where you stand. So that was really special. And the next thing is the questions. The personality development actually helped me think more, because I never knew that I was this kind of person. So when I started attending answers, it gave me answers to a lot of solutions I had. So, yeah.
What is the learning thing that we have gained in this drive?
Apart from an interview, it was very intriguing because they made us to analyze ourselves, like what kind of personality we have. So rather than being an interviewer, we was being taught how to analyze ourselves and to know about our personalities. That's it.
Okay. So are you all confident that you will be selected? You are in which round right now?
We've just completed our GED. We finished our second round. We're waiting for the results actually.
Yes, sir, we are waiting for results.
Now, the basic trend is that we see a lot of students are not prepared in technologies, right? Whichever industry they belong to. So you have anything to tell about that?
Sir, it's basically because we are just confined to books and books only. So industry is going farther. It's just emerging day by day. So it depends upon the individual's effort. It's me who has to take effort to bridge the gap between the industry and the subjects we are learning. So it totally depends on individual. That is what I feel.
Okay. Does the college support you in everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah.
I'm Monica from Bannari Amman Institute of Technology, pursuing final year civil engineering.
So you have been shortlisted to the last round, right? So what is your experience?
From the first round, very basic questions were asked, and it was very easy and enthusiastic to attend all those rounds. And they tested our personality skills too, so I enjoyed that rounds. And GD was a normal process, and there we could show our talents. And final round was somewhat tough, but I have showed what the potential that I can give, and waiting for a positive results.
Okay, now what do you feel about the other rounds that you did, and what did you learn from this drive?
Basic is also very important by knowing it accurately, and here I have learned about it. And in the final round, if we have interest with something and we have to grab more about it, I have learned it from final round, and I will go through for it hereafter.
Okay, do you know, are you aware of all the softwares used in the industry, what they were talking about in the presentation?
Yes, I was mostly aware about it, but that's what I was saying, that from final round I came to know that I have to learn more about those things, and hereafter I will take care. And I know few things about it, but there are lots, like oceans of ideas needed about it.
Okay, so if you're getting selected, how is your career going to be?
If I am getting selected 6 years of intern, I will use it properly, and I will sure I will try myself to best to get a job in this industry, and I will serve for them, and I will improve myself, and I will help towards their company improvement.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
I'm K. Valarmadi, hailing from Gomuchittipalayam, studying civil engineering at Sri Shakti Institute of Engineering Technology, Chinnapalayam.
And what is your name?
My name is Nandini. I'm studying civil engineering in Sri Shakti Institute of Engineering Technology in Chinnapalayam.
Okay, now today you have attended eConstruct Drive, right? Okay, it's a Bangalore-based company. Can you share your experience about this company and the process?
And the interview process which we undergone today is totally different from the other company. The selecting process and the test process also very different from the other. It also helpful to us to enhance our knowledge in our civil field.
It's a good experience to learn some things about the software, and what are the topics to recollect and relearn is a must for this company.
Okay, how was the process? What was the first round? Did you clear the first round? And what was the second one? Can you explain?
Yes, sir. There was no first round, sir. It is common to everyone. It is competency round. It is for checking our mentality. Everyone should attend, and almost everyone got collected in that round. And after that, objective round. In objective round, they separated four kind: BIM, project management, and structural design. And we got selected in that round too. So we are eligible to the second round.
There are so many branches in civil engineering, right? Which branch would you like to go if you have given a chance?
It's structural design engineering.
Why do you want to join structural engineering?
Because I love the structural design. I know about the softwares related to the structural design. I have attended an internship for that according to the software. That's why I prefer for structural design engineering.
Okay, so do you really believe that if you join, that is if you get selected in eConstruct Drive, if you join that company, you will have good growth there?
Sure, sir. It helps us to. It will surely helps us to increase our knowledge in civil department field, and that also it also helps to increase our knowledge in several type of applications like Navy's work, STAD, ETAP, and so on.
Okay, so Shraddha ma'am was telling about the opportunities in civil engineering and the scope it has. So how do you see it? Do you think that today's civil students are really understanding the scope?
Yes, sir. Really, civil engineering students in current world are understanding our situation, because civil engineering is an evergreen field. It will not charge at any cost. So it is correct at this situation.
Thank you very much for that.
My name is Sanjay, and I belong to UT, and I am doing my BE Civil Engineering at Banaram Institute of Technologies.
Okay, now we have come to attend the drive, right? eConstruct. So what have you learned from this drive?
Sir, we know the subject is very easy, but analytically and the many softwares are not known by us. I have to learn many things about it, and the first round was very easy. I cleared it easily, and second round is GD. It's also very lenient topic was given to me, and I also spoke well. But in last round they asked many software technologies, so I am little bit I'm unaware of the software, so I have to learn more about the softwares.
Okay, what are the other things that you have learned from this drive?
Other than that, I gained the. This is my first off-campus, it gives me confidence, so I can attend the next interview with high confidence. And I thought I know everything, but at last I came to know I was not up to their mark. So I have to do much well for the next interview, sir.
Okay, so if you're getting a chance to join eConstruct, so what is your plan, and how far do you think that you can make use of the internship or recruitment opportunity?
Sir, for civil engineer, internship is very important, sir. Unlike computer science students, they can earn money for 40k, 50k easily. But civil engineering, it's very difficult. We need experience for that. In this eConstruct, it's a software technology, so that the payment is also high. It's very difficult for civil engineer to get internship in this type of companies. So if I get opportunity in this, I can do well in the upcoming years.
Shraddha ma'am were telling in the presentation. So what is that thing that you remember from their presentation?
Actually, they told lot about BIM, the construction procedures, what are the competition, the scope for our core, and lot more things. Mostly I catch those points about the softwares. The construction companies are running behind softwares to build new innovative constructions. I guess software is driving the future. So that is why I also selecting BIM in this final round. Let me wait for the final round. I don't know what they are going to ask, but I'm well prepared for that.
Okay, they were introducing a lot of softwares, no, in the presentation. So are you aware of those softwares, or?
Some of the softwares, like STAAD, I'm well versed in STAAD, and also AutoCAD. That is a 2D drafting software. I like that because I'm a computer kind of guy, so I like that thing. Then also SketchUp, it's a 3D modeling tool that I used to use because my friend taught me, he's an architect. That's all the softwares I know, and also other softwares like project management, MS project management and Primavera. I'm ready to learn that. I think during the intern I maybe get a chance to learn that.
So you're very confident. So I wish you that you should get selected. And tell me, what will you do if you're getting selected?
Definitely I go for the core. First few days I think I'll be training in the software related things. Then after that I need some experience on the field too. So if they provide me a chance to go to the field, it'll be well and good. Or else I might jump to another company, or I may start my own company.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah,
Naveen from Kumarakoram College.
I'm Tanihi from SNS College.
Okay, today we are doing this eConstruct Design and Build Private Limited drive at NGP College. So how was the drive? Can you share your experience?
Yes, definitely, sir. It was a quite good experience. That their methodology of recruitment was totally different. Generally, we have come across like technical round, aptitude round, but first they kept like personality development or analyzing the personality, and in addition to this, we came across like testing on their way of doing like action or people like that. They involved us where we are standing in our group and so on. And the next round was GD, which was quite easy, and that's it, sir.
And what is your experience?
So the same thing. What I felt is other companies will recommend like there will be like a missionary process, but they came to interact with us. That's what the difference between this company and others. They told to correct ourselves that it looked very different for me.
Okay, now did you know about this company before you came to the drive, or why did you attend eConstruct drive?
No, I haven't heard of this company, but I was eager to know what is in it. The future is based on the BIM, that is Business Information Modeling, which is a major stream on the forthcoming years. It will be a good sportive.
That you will be selected?
Yeah, of course, I performed well, I believe.
Okay, what is your view?
Yes, I too perform well, and waiting for the result.
Okay, what will happen if you get selected?
First, they have allotted us for the intern for 6 months. If we performed well, then they'll take up to the company, which we develop our knowledge and will surely enhance them.
See, eConstruct provides a lot of courses related to civil engineering field, right? Do you have any plans to take up any course which will improve your career in future?
More, like for international softwares. The license of the software is not available for us. If they teach us, then why not we take up?
Okay, thank you very much for the participation.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I am Krishna Kumar from Sri Krishna College of Engineering Technology from Coimbatore.
I am Rajavil. I am from Sri Krishna College of Civil Engineering and Technology from Coimbatore.
So you have come here to attend the eConstruct drive, right? So what do you feel about this drive? What was very special about this drive and what did you learn?
What is the special in this drive means I like valuation process. It is different from the other drive. The valuation is done by ourselves only. So it is a different thing I have learned from this.
The things you have learned from this drive, they spoke about the core technologies, about civil softwares they are using. But can you talk something about softwares? Or your friends are aware about using those softwares?
If you take civil engineering, these two softwares are everything known, AutoCAD, StatPro. But in this eConstruct, in the pre-placement session, they talk about various softwares. About 16 softwares they tell. But we didn't know anything. My friend also didn't know anything. This is the new thing. I have learned many software from them, and surely eConstruct helped me to know about the software. I convey my friends to know about the software.
Okay. So if eConstruct is giving opportunity for you to learn these softwares, it could be a training course or anything like that. So will you be able to participate in it? What do you feel about it?
Yeah, it is best for all the students because they don't know during the studying period. They will only know the Autodesk, some StatPro and Revit. But they told a lot of softwares. Mainly they told BIM, Building Information Modeling, is must for nowadays. So the software training is important for students.
Okay. So if eConstruct is giving you an opportunity, which branch will you choose in civil engineering?
I choose project management. It's my ambition.
Why?
Why means it's like a game. We have to start a game and finish a game within a time. From my childhood always I like project management. If I take a task, I can complete it within a week and complete it within a allotted time. This is my.
Okay. I am putting the same question to you. Which branch will you choose?
Yeah, I will choose project manager because only project manager involve the construction directly and client. And project manager is done all works in the civil, so that's why I choose.
Okay. There are so many things now that you have to improve apart from softwares or technical things. Are you all very much equipped with like developing your attitude or confidence or soft skills related? Those kind of trainings, are you getting it in your college?
I'm from Sri Krishna College of Engineering Technology. You mentioned the practical. I think practical knowledge. In my college, they every Saturday there is outside class for 2 subjects. Any 2 subjects of the semester, they offered any 2 outside classes. We have gone to the outside classes and we have realized everything. What are the things we have studied in the class? We go to see on the site. That's the only thing we have done. Practical.
One last question. What is your suggestion or advice for future civil engineering students?
Yeah, my advice means in our academics, civil engineering academics, it's a old syllabus. What are the Anna University framed? That's the thing we learned. But outside, apart from this, we have tried to learn many things. Because whatever we learn, it is not available in the site. The site is completely different from the theoretical classes. So we can also learn not only congested with the 4 walls, we can also learn from other side, outside of the class. This is the thing.
Okay, thank you so much for that.
I'm Pooja Desi, doing my final year in civil engineering at Pannariyamman Institute of Technology.
I'm Pratibha from Civil Engineering Department.
Sandhya, pursuing final year civil engineering at Pannariyamman Institute of Technology.
Myself, Logan Nagan, doing as assistant professor, acting as a placement coordinator.
Myself, Shalini K. is working as an assistant professor in Pannariyamman Institute.
Thank you very much. So how was the drive today? Can you share your experience?
Yes, sir. It was a totally different experience. Since it is my first placement to participate, I had totally different experience. We really had a nice time. We get to know more about their projects.
Okay, very good. What did you like most about this drive? What was very special?
The first session was very special because they take a lot of time to introduce about their self and their projects. This is very different comparing to other companies.
Okay, what was most inspiring in this drive?
So pre-placement talk was very interesting.
Were you aware about this company before you attended the drive?
So I was quite aware about this company, and after coming this drive, I learned much.
Okay, did you get selected?
We are waiting for the results.
Waiting for the results.
Okay. Sir, a question for you. What do you feel about today's students? Are they really prepared? Or most of them, as we know, they are not getting selected. So what is the reason, sir?
Sir, actually, why they are not selected means the off-campus we came for off-campus drive. So the informations what we got is previous day only. So they may not know about what are the procedures they are going to follow in the recruitment drive, and as well as actually they are already prepared for their placements, but don't know how they are going to ask. Actually, this company's placement drive is totally different when compared to other companies. Actually, I also gone through so many companies in my experience. But I really am surprised to see that it's a very quite nice profile of the company profile is very nice, and as well as what they are doing is actually in other off-campus placements or on-campus placements, we the faculty members will be evaluating and as well as correcting the things and evaluating the papers what their students. But here they conducted the students themselves evaluated their answers. That looks different. That really surprised for me. Actually, they may not know. Actually, if they correct means they may not know the correct answers. But they itself dictating the answers. They themselves know. Oh, this is what we are thought is wrong or right. So that kind of experience is really nice experience for our students and as well as for all the students in my point of view. And as well as the company profile seems to be very nice. And when I see the portfolio of the E-Construct built and design company. And also, I am very much impressed regarding the talk of pre-placement talk. He said one of the employee he opened a branch in some other place called Tunka. I am not sure about the place. He opened for that employee. They don't want to leave that employee, so they have started their one of the branch in that place. So now he is running so many crore projects like that. They are informed. That's really interesting. That shows. If our students have a talents means really they can show their talents and they can excel in the field of core engineering to make the concern improve and as well as their career will be improving. So this is my point of view. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, you have been shortlisted to the last round by E-Construct company, right? So how was the round? What was your experience?
My experience was they are expecting students with various knowledge. So I think I was lacking behind on some knowledge. I think I should improve more on my technical knowledge.
Okay. Were there any questions on softwares? How was it? How did you answer?
There were questions based on software. They asked questions based on every aspect. Like I said, I was interested in project management, so they asked questions about project management and stuff. So.
Okay, so they are considering you for internship. So how do you think that will help you?
I think the internship will definitely help me a lot. They were talking about providing workshops for the interns during the 6-month internship period. I think I'll gain a lot of knowledge with the 6-month course.
So how do you see your future in the next 1 or 2 years if you are joining this company?
Then in 6 months I will definitely be learning a lot about project management from the company, and if I'm lucky enough I'll get placed at eConstruct, or maybe they'll consult me to another company, so they'll be having bonds, right? So the 2 years I'll be working in eConstruct, and I'll definitely be learning many things, so I think I'll have a very good 2 years ahead.
Okay, what is that something that you are taking out of this drive?
Actually, I came into this drive with a half mind. So, what category of civil engineering should I get in? So, after the project management drive, and they analyze the skills and the personal traits. So, after that, I think I have found the correct path for me. So, the drive has actually helped me a lot with my career. This will change my career a lot.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, today we have done our placement drive from eConstruct Design and Build Private Limited, Bangalore company. So, can you share your experience?
Yeah, sure. It was the first off-campus drive. We felt a bit nervous when we were entering the college and into the seminar hall. And then they gave a short introduction about the company and the projects undertaken by them. It was very unique one and magnificent one. So we were very eager to attend the drive.
And what is your opinion?
First of all, I would like to thank MD Sandeep sir for making us to participate in this event. Like he said, it's very interesting and new for us because it's the first off-campus drive. We have learned many things and the projects are really magnificent. We came to know that our South Indian company could achieve a lot by seeing them. So we get inspired by him.
Okay. Did you get selected?
Unfortunately, we didn't get selected, but we learned many things like how a off-campus drive will go. And I think I have to update my knowledge on BIM technology, which was a major consideration in e-construction.
Okay, and what about you?
Unfortunately, myself also I didn't selected. To be frankly saying that overall management, how they conducted the interview was very nice. We have gone through the first round. We get to know a lot new information about what are the different concepts to study in civil engineering. Like I said, nowadays BIM plays an important role in construction site. So we have to update the knowledge regarding all software so that we could by next time may get a chance to be involved.
Okay, now will you share this experience with your other friends, and what do you think is most important for civil engineers?
Yeah, I'll surely update my friends about this. Moreover, this is the first company I think they undertaken the personality test. No other company has done that. It was very unique one, and we didn't expect that. They said that it was also a major role in selection process. It was very happy to know that, and I'll surely tell about my friends.
Okay, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, to others I would like to share something. Kindly attain some basic knowledges about civil engineering so that they can bypass any kind of interview in future they will undergo. And the next thing is they have to update current information, what are the trending technologies which is prevailing in the situation, so that we can catch up to the current trending. So these are the two advices which I would request all to update it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.